Example, a firm has 40 workers in the factory premises, 30 working in its office and 20 working in both the places. How many workers are there in the firm? How many are working in the factory alone? Second, office alone. So now in this case, we don't know the actual elements. The only thing is number of elements are given. So we are given here people working in factory and people working in office. So there is a firm wherein 40 workers are working in factory and 30 are working in office, wherein out of this 70 people, there are 20 people who are working in both the places. Okay. Now we need to find there are how many total people are there in the firm. So now it is your choice to take the set. So you can take alphabets A, B, C, D, or you can go with F and O. Now since it is factory, I am taking it as F. So I am taking set F as set of people working in factory. Okay, and I am taking set O as set of people working in office. So how many people do we have in factory? Number of people who are working in factory are 40. So number of people working in factory is 40. Similarly, number of people who are working in office is 30. So 30 people are working in office. And there are 20 people working in both the places. Since working in both the places is nothing but intersection, right? Let me draw Venn diagram here. Suppose this is your firm. So firm is universal set in this case. This is set of people who are working in factory, and next is set of people who are working in office. So how many people are working in factory? There are total 40 people working in factory. There are total 30 people who are working in office. But out of this 40, there are 20 who are working in both factory as well as office, right? And there are out of this 30, there are 20 people working in both office as well as factory. So the number of people who are working in factory as well as office, factory and office is 20. Now we need to find how many people are there in the firm, how many total people are there in the firm. So we are just collecting the people. We need to find the total people working in the firm. That is nothing but number of elements in factory and office. So collection of factory and office. So how do we find this? We can take n of A. Let me write the formula here. How do we calculate A union B? It is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So I am taking same formula. So instead of A, I had taken F. You can even take this as AB. It is not going to make any difference. So this is office minus the people who are working in factory as well as office. Because out of this 40, there are some people, there are 20 people who are working in office as well. So how many people do we have in factory? 40. In office, 30. And out of these people, there are 20 who are working in both. So 20, whenever we are calculating this 40, we have calculated these 20 people in this 40. Again, we are calculating these people in the office. So we are taking basically these 20 people in consideration twice. So we have to subtract it once. So we have total 70 minus 20, that is 50. So there are total 50 people working in factory and office, or we can say there are total 50 people working in the firm. Right? Next question. How many workers are there? Sorry, here. How many are working in the factory alone and office alone? So how many people are there who are working in only factory? So let me start with only factory. The people who are working in only factory. Now this set F, whatever we have taken, are the people who are working in factory, but not just only factory. This complete set out of this complete set, there are 20 people who are working in office as well. So out of this 40 people, there are 20 people who are working in both. So how many people are working only in factory? So this entire 40, from this entire 40, if I am taking this intersection out, the remaining are going to be people who are working in only factory. So out of this complete 40 people, if I am subtracting this 20, the remaining 20 will be only working in factory. Okay. So only factory is nothing but the people who are working in factory minus, this is n, number of people, minus the people who are working in factory and office, intersection part. So from 40 I am subtracting 20, so there are 20 people who are working only in factory. So therefore there are 20 people, there are 20 people who are working in only factory. Okay. In this case, there are 50 people working in firm. So therefore the total people working in firm is 50, and out of 50 there are 20 people who are working in only factory. Next, we need to find the people who are working in office alone. So similarly, we need to find the people who are working in only office. We do not want people who are working in both office as well as factory. We need to find only this part. Okay. So out of this 30, if I am subtracting this part, the remaining will be the people who are working in only office. Right. So let me write it. So we need to find people who are working in only office. Okay. That is nothing but people who are working in office minus the people who are working in factory as well as office. There are 30 people working in factory, there are 20 people in intersection who are working in both. So there are only 10 people who are working in only factory. So there are 30 people, out of 30 if I am subtracting this part, remaining will be only 10. So therefore there are 10 people, there are 10 people working in office alone, working in office alone or only in office.